Everyone knows that cloud infrastructure is more complicated than traditional infrastructure. And guess what? AI has even crazier requirements for scale and complexity. Anyone who used ChatGPT already knows that AI is way slower than traditional applications, web applications, where a web page is loaded almost instantly, which means that to run AI workloads, companies will have to massively invest in computing infrastructure. Therefore, AI infrastructure will be much bigger, more scalable, and more complex than the cloud infrastructure we're dealing with today, which means that the problems with managing identities, problems with managing access paths, enforcing policy are going to become even more complicated. This is why we believe that in order to safely deploy production workloads into production, you must get rid of anonymity in your computing environments. And for that, infrastructure identity technology is absolutely necessary. The people in charge of protecting their infrastructure, be it CISO or head of platform engineering, they understand that increasing complexity, which is inevitable when you adopt AI to production, will apply pressure on skill sets and how their team operates and the choice of tools and vendors that they work with. So therefore, most organizations that we work with, they have gone through a transformation internally as well. What it means is that they brought more engineering expertise into their cybersecurity teams. Because if your job is to protect your computing infrastructure, either from an external attack or from internal threat actors or from misbehaving AI, you need to be comfortable with how complex that infrastructure is. And that comfort only comes from engineering, because engineers are professional complexity tamers. They swim in complexity. So this is why most of our customers or open source teleport users, they bring engineering expertise into their cybersecurity practice internally. Or sometimes they shift the responsibility for protecting computing infrastructure completely to engineering. And you would have a platform engineering team responsible not only for building and maintaining infrastructure, but also for securing it. You build all these technologies and they're amazing and everyone loves them, but they require maintenance, the ongoing maintenance and security and compliance requirements and risk management, they all represent maintenance. So therefore you become a slave to your own creation that now you need to maintain it. So adopting technologies like Teleport allows you to, it gives you freedom to move because we take care of it. Because when you have an identity layer in your infrastructure, when you eliminate anonymity, when you bring all identities into one place, it is a much simpler system to reason about. It requires dramatically fewer resources to manage, which frees up your resources to take advantage of technological progress and move forward faster and build more and even more impressive capabilities.